I took medicines, 2 to 3 medicines I took totally in 10 years. But after taking medicines, my mood was out and capacity of my working became low. I also had a lazy feeling. I was not feeling fit. I felt that everything is getting damaged from inside. Sometimes I felt nervous from inside. Means when I was sitting in the class, I started getting anxiety feeling. There is no enjoyment in life. If somebody will give like this treatment where 1 year old disease gets cured in 5 hours, just in 5 hours, that's really great. Now I had a feeling, now I was surviving from past 10 to 12 years from this illness and I got improvement in 6 days, just 6 days. My 4 sessions were still left. One day I saw in YouTube Sir's video and it touched my heart. It really touched my heart. I saw in YouTube large number of policemen were seated and Sir was giving training to them. I thought so many policemen are getting treated by only one man. Like this psychologist is also there. And there is one positive thing about Sir, that he is a face reading expert. He's a face reading expert. People also come here from overseas. I am Pranay Kumar Poddar. My age is 25 years. I belong to Tripura, Agartala city. Regarding my education, I am in Tripura Medical College. I am a final year MBBS student. My main problem is I do overthinking too much. I think repeatedly over same thing. I get negative feeling in everything that I do. Fear and nervousness is also there too much. I get so much anxiety that I am not able to control it. My head spins and I get headache. And this also I have a feeling of loneliness. And also I lack confidence and lack self-esteem. I don't have confidence in myself. I always have doubts. Mainly my problem is doubt. I doubt a lot. Earlier I had gone to a psychiatrist. In 2017 in Agartala I had gone to neuropsychiatrist. They did not listen to the full history. They just heard for 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes they said they are giving medicines. They gave some antidepressant disorder tablets. Also they gave sleeping pills, some clonidine, aquaclonidine, such tablets were given. I was a very serious person in life. Means I was so serious that if in my class, if anybody gets even 1 mark more than me, I was feeling very sad from inside because I felt I was such a good student, and if any other student get better marks than me, I had a feeling of egoistic feeling was there, like how he got and like that feeling I was getting. I never liked to talk to girls. I had that habit. I used to talk to boys. When girls were coming to talk, I used to walk 2 steps behind. I was not interested. I was like this only. When I was in 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, I was like this only. I was always in books, in studies. I was taking interest in studies. I was very serious. I wanted to go ahead in life, and I was getting negative thought in my mind because I had lot of frustration in life. I thought about making a goal. Now also I will become a doctor. That is for sure. But that is not the only desire. What I want to become in life, I am feeling I am not achieving. There is some or other deficiency in my brain. I am becoming a doctor, but that good feeling is not there. I came in 2018 to Kailas sir, but I was not prepared that time. I came and spoke to him and went. Sir had told me that all the doubts that is filled in my mind is like a garbage and no one can cure it. So come to me. Then I had gone to my uncle's house in Pune. Uncle was telling me that you will become alright like that only. There is no need of any treatment because there is no treatment for mental illness. I had seen Kailash sir's video in 2018 in YouTube. I had seen myself. Some reviews had come of sir. I had seen how we have to empty our mind. I had seen that video. He had told me that time that if anybody's software is damaged, like he told me that my software is 60% damaged. I told sir it can't be 60% damaged. I was angry that time. He said, your memory is good, your hardware is good, but your software is damaged, child. That is why you are getting all wrong thinking, worries. So we will wash, clean, and we will remove it. I trust about that thing that time, but it was not done that time. So now I came and I have seen many videos of Sir, clients review videos, and many videos I have seen. And I got trust in Sir. Now I spoke to Sir when I was in 7th semester. I talked to Sir. He told me to come soon. He said, you had come 5 years ago. Why did you make so much late? The sooner you come, the better. Your recovery will be done sooner. Sir is treating with natural therapy, natural treatment. So I feel such treatment should be taken by everyone. Natural treatment, because mental illness cannot be cured by medicines. Even in medical history, such treatment is not done. I know all psychiatrists, like how they treat, they just give medicines and we take that. We also know we go through depression, and there is no role of medicines to cure mental illness. Now, what to tell you about Sir? We met each other several times. He is real God for psychologists in the world. Now, I'm going home. I'm feeling very nice. And at the same time, I'm feeling bit emotional after meeting each other. All are emotional. I met a person in my life that I want to say with open heart. His name is Dr. Kailash Mantri. With Sir, there was online, first I was searching in YouTube that I should find such a person who would cure me. Cure me. I saw his review video. He's a very good psychologist. No one in this world will do such treatment how he does. He's the first person. I used to talk to Sir. I did consultation with him. I had some problem that time. I had misunderstanding problem with my uncle. My uncle was saying that you take tablets here, you'll become okay. But nobody was ready to listen to my heart. With too much difficulty, carried on with my first, second, third year. What has happened to me, only I know. Ultimately, my last wish was that I should not leave. If God will take me away, it will be good for me. I didn't have any trust in me, and I had lack of confidence, means I did not have any confidence in me. I was depending fully on others' trust. In me, trust was broken. And I saw Dr. Kailash Mantri is there, who is #1 psychologist in India and in the whole world. He's a life coach. One only I found in this life. Then I saw his review video and I started consultation with him. Sir told, you have so much problem, so you come. My only wish was to reach Mumbai from Agartala. Only one wish was there. I was so much I want to come anyhow. So when I finished my third year exam, that time I was in very bad state. So after watching Sir's video, I got some trust, some hope. I said, I have to meet Kailash Mantri Sir. There is only one person who can cure me. In his words, there is magic. Then I came to Mumbai and took 10 days session. Slowly I saw improvements in me. And the most magic moment was on the 7th day when my session was going on. I fully recovered and went. Means I felt I don't have any disease. In life, my confidence has increased so much that Sir's session, which was of 10 days, in that my illness was so tiny. And Premila ma'am is so nice. She had taught us all the techniques and trained us so nicely. Means how we can move ahead in life, how you can handle life. Everything she taught us. She loved us like her son. She gave us lot of respect. Earlier, when I used to come to Mumbai, I used to think I am coming from such a distance. Father also is little weak in Hindi. So I used to think what will be the behavior. I knew only Kailash sir, but when we came here, we got so much love. What to say? How much I say, that is less. Premila ma'am, Sagar Mantri sir, he is a very good trainer and physical life coach. And Hemant bhai also stayed with me all the time like a life coach. So much he supported and motivated me. If I was getting any negative feeling, I used to tell Hemant bhai. Then he used to find solution immediately. Then sir did session first day session, gradually I got to know something and some magic happened and I became all right. I found a new life with this magic. Means life has become much, much better than what it was even before depression. Means this is such a training that I would say that in India 45% mental patients are there. I'm in medical field, hence I would say yes, there are many patients but they could not find a proper way. I feel there is only one Dr. Kailash Mantri and Dr. Sagar Mantri, Premila ma'am, and all life coaches here and the trainers are very nice and they gave lot of love. They only can cure this mental illness. Means not only depression or anxiety, but all diseases root cause will be known. Sir has done 25 years research, more than 25 years, not only 25 years. Past more than 25 years, sir did research of mind mapping test. He only have this knowledge. With mind mapping test, you will know yourself what is the root cause of this illness. I will give you one example. If we break our bones, we will go to doctor. Doctor will tell you to put an ointment and he would say you will become alright. It becomes alright means it takes a long time. Sir's treatment is he will go to find the root cause of the illness. Sir, what he will do? He will take out X-ray if the bone is broken, and if bone has become okay, slowly, all this will become okay. Means Sir goes to find out the root cause. He goes deeply within us. How he goes, I myself don't know. Only Sir knows, and he removes the cause from within, like how vomiting comes out. Fungus was filled in my mind so much in my computer. My concentration was so low. When I used to speak with someone, my concentration was in London, America. It was in my house. I had a feeling that I would kill someone, I will slit someone. So, what I would say with so much expectation, I would say that if someone would give such a treatment that 1-year-old disease will be treated in 5 hours, I feel I'm surviving from this illness from past 10 to 12 years, and in 6 days I've become okay. In just 6 days I got improvements. My 4 sessions were still remaining. I was trained physically very well, boxing, punching. I was physically weak, boxing, punching, jogging, all this I was doing. Everything was taught here. Madam served us food with so much love. You get food and everything here. You get accommodation, everything in this training. They helped my father a lot. My father was also little weak in Hindi. They gave him also accommodation. Everything they did. It was like a home. They gave us love like a family. They gave me love like a son. They made a new transformation in my life. Regenerated myself with new thoughts. Earlier, my thoughts were so negative. I was so weak. What to tell you, my God. I don't see in my life any goal. Premila ma'am, Kailash Mantri sir, Sagar sir, whoever is here, all are like God to me. Meaning, I felt so nice. My 10-day session is getting over now and I'm going home. I would like to say one thing. Whoever has any problem in life, everyone should come here, and Kailash Mantri sir is here. Dr. Kailash Mantri. He has obtained doctorate degree from American Association. I have seen that. Sir is very nice and he trains all policemen. So one day I saw in YouTube that I saw one video that touched my heart. I saw one video in which large number of policemen are seated and sir gives training to everyone. I thought only one man is training so many policemen. Like this psychologist also we have. Sir has one positive thing. I saw he's a face reading expert. People come from overseas also here, from Bangladesh, America, and also a lot of people from Saudi Arabia. I have seen myself one patient had come for consultation from Saudi Arabia. Means it is so powerful. There's such a powerful technique. He has got solutions for everything. I would say even the worst disease, or if the disease is 20 or 25 years old, he can remove it. Whole life you will be happy. There will be no problem. Everything will be good. Also here, Salma ma'am, Neetu ma'am, Sujata ma'am, they were also nice. They loved me like a son. Everyone felt nice. First I was feeling I'm a client here. Now I'm going back. I'm feeling bad. I wish I would have stayed longer. I wish I was studying in Mumbai. I would have been in touch with them. I'm becoming emotional now. So I feel this is such a treatment. When I used to be hyper earlier, I was sleeping so many days like a Kumbhakaran, Ravan's brother, Kumbhakaran. He was sleeping 6 months. And one day he used to eat and again he used to sleep. So with me, same thing happened. I was sleeping from past 5 years. Then suddenly slowly, I started showing improvements. Confidence has increased so much. I could do anything. I did laughter session also with all my friends. Everybody is like my friend here. They taught so much and they thought also so much about my maintenance. What to tell you, I don't have any answer for that. And I fully recovered and went home. Means infinity. There is surety. I can't give percentage. It's infinity. Unlimited surety. Everyone should come here. I would like to give message to everyone that this session is not only for depression or anxiety or OCD patient. This training is for those whose depression is that how he failed in life, how you will live life ahead, law of attraction, everything we learnt here. Premila ma'am had taught us about water therapy, how it is used. This technique I had never seen before, and everyone should come for this training. It's not only that if you have depression, you take training. Everyone should take this training. Everyone should join this 10-day session. Even you join online training, you can subscribe and share with everyone so that everyone will benefit. I feel more than money, your heart should be happy. People have money, wealth, everything, but they do not have a happy heart. So, if you are not happy in your heart, then nothing is there. Whatever I was feeling from inside, I had everything medical career, girlfriend, mother, father, brother, sister, but I didn't have self-love. I learnt everything here. Everyone is nice. I'm going from here with a new life and with lot of memories. It has become my life story. I will become a doctor now in future. I will also share, and such a great psychologist I have never seen anywhere. Only Dr. Kailash Mantri and his whole team at Mantri Healthcare Center.
Mantri Healthcare Center.